Hi everyone, welcome to today's lecture on conditional probability and multiplicative law as a part of the Data Science and AI lecture series. I am Bindeshwar and I am excited to guide you through these essential concepts in probability theory that play a key role in data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let us understand conditional probability. So basically conditional probability that represent the likelihood of an event given that this term is very important, given that another event B has already occurred. So see that how will you represent it? So you will P probability of A given B. So basically probability B, you can say that event B has already occurred. P A intersection B upon PB, where PB should greater than 0. Now example from a deck of cards. So let A be the event drawing a black face card. So and the B be the event drawing a spade. So if B occurs, then P A given B. This is 3 upon 13. Since there are 3 black face cards in 13 spades. For a two events A and B, P intersection B is equal to PA into P B given A. If A and B are independent, so you will write P A intersection B is equal to PA dot PB. For a three events A, B and C, you can write like this one, just extended. Now let us see an example. A die is rolled and if the outcome is a number greater than 3, so what is the probability that it is a prime number? That means what is already given, what already happened, number is greater than 3 and it is asked that what probability that it is a prime number. So one event already has occurred. So see that sample space here 1 to 6 and let us see that let A is outcome is greater than 3, this one, that is A, and B is prime number. So intersection of A and B, that would be 5, because you can see that from A and B 5 is common. Now here P A would be 3 upon 6, PB would be 3 upon 6, PA intersection B would be 1 upon 6. So here we will see that PB given A, that would equal to 1 upon 6 upon 3 upon 6 and that will equal to 1 upon 3. Now let us see second example, probability of boys in a family. So a couple has two children. So what is the probability that both are boys if the younger child is a boy, second the older child is a boy, third one at least one child is a boy. So let us see first of all sample space. So there are two kids, so there would be 4 sample points. Now let us see the first example and let A even both children are boys. So B and B and a younger child is a boy. So see that the first position, here B and B. So at first position younger and at second position older boy. So now probability of A given B is P A intersection B upon PB, and that would be equal to half. Let us see the event. See, event older child is a boy, that means second one. So again here P A given C, and that would be again 1 upon 2. Now event D, at least one child is a boy. So there are three favorable cases, and you can see that here P A given D. So that would be 1 upon 4 upon 3 upon 4, and that will come 1 upon 3. Now let us see third example. An urn contains 4 red, 7 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn without replacement. Find the probability of getting 2 red balls. So let us see example. So first ball is red, that means PA upon 4 upon 11. Second, B given A, that means second ball is red, given the first ball is red. That means second is also red, but given that first one is also, so that will come 3 upon 10, because there were 11 but without replacement, so 3 upon 10, 1 is reduced. Now PA intersection B, PA 4 upon 11, and that one 3 upon 10, that will come 6 upon 55. Let us see the fourth example. There are 3 cards are drawn one by one without replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that the first card is a jack, second card is queen, third card is again a jack. So let us see the first one. So let even T, first card is jack. So that will come P even 4 upon 52. Second, E2 given even. So second card is queen, given the first card is jack. So P E2 given even. So that would be 4 upon 51, because you have taken 1. So number of cards would be 51. So E3, that means event third card is jack, given the first 2 events occurred. That would be 3 upon 50, because 1 again you have subtracted. So P E1 in intersection E2 into E3, that would be P E1, P E2 given E1, P E3 given E1 intersection E2, and you have to multiply, and that will come 2 upon 5525. Now selecting a rich brilliant boy. So in a class you can say that there are 50 students, 10 boys and 10 girls. 5 students are rich and 15 are brilliant. What is the probability of selecting a brilliant rich boy? So there is a condition. So let event A, student is brilliant, so that would be 15 upon 50. And let B, student is rich, so that is 5 upon 50. Let's see, student is a boy, so P C 10 upon 50. Now assuming independence, we are assuming that there is independence. So event A, B and C are independent, so the probability will get multiplied. So we will get 3 upon 500. So hope you have understood conditional probability, multiplicative law, and independence of event. So for more resources and PDF simulation and videos, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. You can visit YouTube channel for a video and playlist. You can visit also Facebook page and video. You can also connect to LinkedIn page. So hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.